Can you identify this leaf? I bet not many can. This is ashwagandha. In a world teeming with great number of plant species, it's a challenge to recognize them all, let alone their medicinal potential. The problem lies in the intricate nature of plant taxonomy and the diminishing traditional wisdom. Incorrectly identifying plants can have serious health implications, especially in the case of medicinal plants. This is where Ayurscan comes in, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern technology. It harnesses the power of deep learning to provide rapid and accurate plant identification. Welcome to Ayurscan website walkthrough. Let's start with the first step, logging in or signing up. You can sign up with a simple email and password. If you have an unidentified image of a leaf and want to know more about it, simply click the camera icon, or you can choose an image from the your gallery. Next, you can explore various herbs with detailed descriptions and discover their unique properties. If you want to explore more herbs, simply click Get More Herbs. It's like having a herbal encyclopedia at your fingertips. Ayurscan also offers a subscription model for premium access. Enjoy your exclusive features and benefits, and don't you worry about the payment methods. We provide a secure gateway for online payments. And finally, if you want to know more about Ayurscan, get in touch with us and visit the About Us page or Contact Us pages. We are here to answer your questions and share our passion for Ayurveda and traditional healing. For more convenience and accessibility, we also have app in a development stage, which will make your Ayurvedic journey easier. It, it hosts similar features to the website with camera and gallery accessibility. With one simple click, you can get instant identification and valuable insights. Using our deep learning model, it boasts an impressive 95% accuracy in plant identification. It is developed on CNN and trained on dataset of over 500 images of medicinal plants. Ayurscan also relies on other advanced technologies such as TensorFlow, Keras, and Python image library. That's not all. Ayurscan's journey doesn't stop here. We are continuously expanding our services to meet your needs of consultation, blog writing, and scanning medicinal ingredients. Pause the video to find out more about our future scopes. So, in conclusion, Ayurscan is your gateway of medicinal plants. Join us in this incredible journey. Can you identify this leaf? With Ayurscan, you can, and so much more. Thank you.